If you want to take a screenshot on OnePlus 15R, but you don't want to use buttons on the right side of the phone, what you can do is you can, for example, use 3 fingers, and if you swipe down on the screen with 3 fingers, then you will capture a full screenshot. You can also press and hold 3 fingers on the screen, and then you should be able to select the area that you want to capture, so we can take a partial screenshot like that. You can also press and hold with 3 fingers and then swipe down once we have the screenshot activated, so you don't have to lift your fingers in order to immediately select the area that you want to capture. And also this can be used to capture a scrolling screenshot. If you press and hold with 3 fingers, let me actually try again. So if you press and hold with 3 fingers, sorry about that, I'm selecting video by accident, there we go. So if you press and hold with 3 fingers, then you can swipe all the way down in order to capture a scrolling screenshot, if of course there is enough content, if there is a scrollable page, for example. Now, besides that, you can also use the sidebar. If you have sidebar enabled, you can find the screenshot button in here, at least by default, so you can use that as well. And also we have the control center or quick settings. You just have to search for the screenshot button, and you can tap on it in order to capture the full screenshot. Or you can tap on the screenshot text over here to find the scrolling and partial screenshot options as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.